Hi, how are you, my friends? I am Dr. Prasad Bigde, Assistant Professor, Surya University College, Saltanat of Oman. Today I am just put this lecture video somehow to find out lot of problems facing all over the world. And as a human being, lot of stress facing people, either literate people, not literate people, educated people, top people, low people, everyone. So I just explain what are the stress, what are the things facing human being because of coronavirus. Means effects of corona on human being. I put some points as the effects of corona on human being. So helpless. Everywhere talk about corona means increasing the number of corona people, corona patient, death are increasing. So everyone afraid, and people think, what is the solution? What can we do? We are helpless. People thinking about their job. Oh, what is our job? Because maybe is corona increasing, your job is cutting, and in the psychology, because psychologically we're feeling people, we are helpless. What can we do? There is no vaccine. We don't know how people, even lockdown or without lockdown, everywhere is corona. So what is the solution? So people inside as feel helpless, shocked and surprised. Worldometer and this type of things giving the data of corona patients. And even like in India, COVID 19 org.in, this type of websites giving WHO giving the data. And whenever person open, and this is a curiosity of person, whenever he opens, oh, he's shocked and surprised. Oh, today 10,000 people increase in Russia. Oh, 5,000 people died in US. So shocked and surprised. Feel unwell and lazy. Feeling unwell and lazy because mostly people working from their home, except some essential workers like doctors or bank people or police. Mostly people working from their home. So they have feel unwell and laziness is coming because there is no working hours and feel lazy because no physical exercise because people feel afraid to go outside, tired and exhausted, always sitting in home and always means mentally and physically both way tired, emotionally strained. This is a very important thing. People feel emotionally strained means emotionally anxiety. What is going in the world? Might be world will be finished. Everywhere lockdown, no flights, no train. Everywhere corona, corona. So this is one of the point. Anger. When everywhere talk negativity all over the world, so definitely it's create the reason of angerness. Less loss of interest. People feel loss of interest of their work or anything because to everywhere listening about the corona, this is one of the reason. Now, stress with family and friends. Even people working in home spend time with family, but they are not enjoying the life with the family or even with the friends to talk because their mind always keep the corona disease. Doubt and confusion also create. So these are the effects of basically this is a psychological effects, and it will be not a short term, it will be a long term because habit is the second nature of man. Again, I am repeating, habit is the second nature of man. So it will be in the mind, and people become laziness and lot of psychological. One of the example, one of my friend, suppose he is having cough and cold. One day he's very afraid. Oh, maybe I corona. Before we don't care, fever, cough, cold. Now everyone thinking only about the corona, negativity all over the world. So these are the psychological effects, emotional effects, physical effects. Basically, this is creating the stress. We always talk about work stress, but now new terminologies come, corona stress. So it is a long term, and it will definitely long term loss as a human nature and working culture. Next video I will put, because today I discuss only about the problem. What is the solution of this problem? Next video I will discuss. Thank you. All the best.